Plastic is such a problem, causing devastation in many countries. This might sound like hyperbole, but in countries like Cameroon, the plastic problem has even caused flooding and loss of life. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amrita and with this channel I aim to bring you everything from minimalism, sustainability, self-care and self-development. We cannot recycle our way out of the plastic pollution problem. With only about 9% of the world's plastic being recycled and most plastic types not allowing for recycling more than one time, this is a false solution. In many instances, the global north has no consideration for the global south, dumping plastic waste in African countries in the name of trade deals. Marginalized communities must stop being taken advantage of by the global north. China used to take the majority of this plastic waste. However, studies indicate that following China's foreign waste ban in 2018, plastic waste from polluters has nowhere to go. Many African countries have made incredible strides with regards to the plastic pollution problem, with countries like Kenya imposing one of the strictest bans of certain single-use plastic items 4 years ago and even looking to expand this ban. The USA or any other country for that matter should not be allowed to negate any of the progress made by the global south. Plastic is made from fossil fuels, the use of which contributes to global warming and climate change from the CO2 and other gases produced. Where I stay in South Africa, we have had numerous air pollution warnings this year, and South Africa has previously failed to adequately support renewable energy solutions despite having the perfect weather conditions to take advantage of this. The transition seems to be a very slow one due to many political and economic reasons. It has been reported that Witbank in Mpumalanga, South Africa has the world's dirtiest air, and now this analysis of high-tech satellite data has revealed that Mpumalanga province is the global #1 hotspot for NO2 emissions. This should come as no surprise with the number of coal power stations South Africa has. It was appalling to note that SA was a no-show at the ministerial meeting earlier this month on a proposed global plastics treaty. Systemic change is needed, and those in power need to get on the bandwagon to stand united for society as a whole. In the meantime, we as individuals should not be supporting organizations such as Coca-Cola, Nestle and PepsiCo. Coca-Cola has been named the world's largest polluter 3 years in a row. We've been sold the idea of instant gratification, and unfortunately with this consumerist mentality, it is the marginalized communities that are worst affected. We the people have the power. Be the change you want to see. On a completely separate note, if someone in this day and age uses plastic containers to warm their food in the microwave, oh my god, please stop immediately. If a plastic container is said to be microwave safe, it just means it will not be deformed or melt when in the microwave. It can still leach toxins that are potentially carcinogenic and can cause asthma. Use glass or ceramic containers to heat your food instead. Also, if you're using a plastic water bottle, switch to glass or steel instead. Moral of the story, plastic has served its purpose in society over the decades, but now it's time to move to more sustainable and innovative materials. Try to be more conscious of your purchases by purchasing from organizations and industries that support rather than harm the environment and ultimately us as humans. As always, until next time, be the change you want to see.